let's make a creamy and delicious fettuccine Alfredo. We're going to start off by prepping our chicken. I used hand-trimmed thin chicken breast. I went ahead and seasoned it with Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse seasoning. This seasoning is absolutely delicious and gives plenty of flavor and depth to the dish itself. So after we get these seasoned on both sides, we are going to sear them in a cast iron skillet. You can also do these in a nonstick pan or on the grill. Once you get them seared on both sides, we're going to make sure that chicken is cooked all the way through to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for that internal temperature. When those are done, set it aside and we're going to boil that pasta. As the pasta is boiling, we're going to start on our sauce, add heavy cream and Parmesan cheese to a pan and start bringing that to a simmer. The trick here is to slowly melt the cheese and start thickening that sauce. I season this with salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And as this is simmering, we're going to keep on stirring that sauce and slowly melting that cheese and getting it nice, thick, and creamy. Once the sauce is thick enough to coat the back of the spoon, we're going to drain our pasta and dump our pasta into our fettuccine Alfredo. Oh my gosh, you are going to absolutely love this recipe. Once you dump your pasta into that Alfredo sauce, we're going to want to mix the pasta to make sure it is well coated. So go ahead and stir that pasta into that nice, beautiful, creamy sauce. The sauce is going to thicken as it cools. Let me know in the comments if this is the first time that you are making fettuccine Alfredo or if you have a different way of making your sauce. There's plenty of ways to make it out there. I go ahead and slice my chicken nice and thin and then throw my pasta in a bowl and put that bad boy right on top. Bon appetit! Let me know in the comments if you are going to try this recipe, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Take care.